Hello my friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Grace. Welcome. In today's video, I wasn't going to record this, but I thought this is a good experience to show my viewers. We have a very big cabinet and it was located in our kitchen. We had it there for, spare everything because we had an extra 4 people living with us. They have moved out. We no longer need the cabinet, but we don't want to sell it. We fell in love with it. It was beautiful. It had a lot of detail. So we decided that we were going to move it upstairs to another floor. However, it's over 7 feet tall and it just wouldn't, turn the corner. Hubby decided to try something. He's decided that he's going to cut it in half. You heard me. He's going to cut it in half. I know you and I are in the same boat. I don't know how this is going to come out, but we'll see what happens. And I'm quite excited about it. So I thought I would record it and take you with us on this journey. So let's begin.
I want to get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Do you remember when we first met? Straight out of my head. Guess we are living proof of love.
I don't believe anybody in their right mind would do this.
In a different light, keeping love alive. It's a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly. Gotta give it wings. If you want.
Well, here you go, folks. So far, he's removed the back panel. He's removed the right panel and the left panel on this side. So this is where we are. It is now, almost midnight. So I think we're going to call it a day for today. And then tomorrow morning, he's going to get back and we're going to continue. Well, not we, him. I just watch and I give him water. But he's going to cut this here. And we'll see how far we get tomorrow. And we'll see how this turns out. Could I ask you why you're putting the tape?
So it gives a nice clean cut. This wood is so hard to see a pencil line on it, so it serves 2 purposes. One, to give me a line to cut, and one so that it doesn't splinter.
Oh.
Reduces the splintering in the wood anyway.
You know you gotta try. Keep a love alive. Keep a love alive. Still here we are, my friend, over 10 years down the road. 3 kids in a big old house, can't wait heavy load.
So there isn't too much splinters. Here is the front. And that's okay. Now this baby can go upstairs. So this is what the top looks like. This piece he just wouldn't let me DIY. He just loved it too much. This is all carved detail.
I'm just being fussy, like always. This is inside.
Hey, where are you going with that? I need that to dust the furniture with. Our furry grandson came yesterday and he got hair on him. So there's a whole bunch of little nails here. So he's just going to pull them all out and then add new ones to attach the cabinet. Put the cabinet together.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little.
And that, my friends, is how you cut a cabinet in half and put it all together. This is what it looks like with the doors. So I keep my bags in here. And I've got some shoes down there, wallets and wristlets, my sunglasses and knickknacks. I'm real happy with it. My bags were just on a shelf, so like this. They're away from dust. and yet they can still breathe because some of them are canvas and leather, so they won't crack. But I love this kind of chicken wire effect. I still have to organize the cabinet. I just put it in there because it's kind of on the floor. The cuts, can't really see the one in the back, very minor. This one you can see a little bit more, better color match. And then I'm going to give it another coat. Same thing with this one here. Well, that was an interesting project. It actually turned out really good. I am so happy, and I didn't think it was going to turn out, let me tell you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing by hitting that red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that luxury is to be used, people are to be loved, and life is to be lived. And you want to reach a point in your life where you say, remember when, and never, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want, could you let me?